Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to set automatic clean up an empty recycle bin on your Windows level. By enabling this feature, your recycle bin will be get empty on its own automatically after fixed durations, and you can also see that your PC performance will get increased. Alright, so ang next step ay dito lang si start menu. So right click lang tayo. And then kailangan mo lang select tong settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select tong system. And then dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang select tong storage. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa system storage, scroll lang tayo. Dito lang sa storage management. Under nito makikita mo dito yung storage since dapat naka-turn on ito. Okay, so i-turn on lang natin yan. And then next ay kailangan mo i-click tong arrow na to. So click mo lang yan. And then direct tayo dito sa storage and settings. Alright, so ang next step dito lang sa pinakauna yung clean up opt-in for repairs, dapat naka-check itong box na to. So check lang natin yan. And then dito sa automatic user content clean up, dapat naka-turn on ito. Alright, and then next dito naman sa kanyang configure clean up schedules, dito sa run storage scenes may mga option dito na pwede natin gawin. So click mo lang tong arrow na to. And then nandito yung pagpipilian kung gusto mo ng every day, every week, every month. Kung gusto mo ng before, pwede naman yan. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then dito naman sa kanyang delete files in my recycle bin, may mga option dito. So click mo lang tong arrow na to. So mayroon ditong never, 1 day, 14 days, 30 days. Ito yung default and 60 days. So nasa option mo yan kung anong gusto mong days dito. Alright. And then next, dito naman sa delete files in my downloads folders, may mga option din dito. So click mo tong arrow na to. And then nandito yung pagpipilian, gusto mo ng default, 1 day, 14 days, 30 days, or 60 days. So nasasayan kung anong days yung gusto mong iset. Alright. Okay, so mayroon naman dito run storage scenes na pwede mong i-click po. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin iset automatic clean up an empty recycle bin on your Windows 11. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.